Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. So, before we jump into today's sneaker unboxing, I want to just quickly address a couple of things. Number one, for the next couple of weeks, I will be uploading on Mondays some old videos from my channel, just to ensure that whoever needs to see some info regarding those items, it will still be available on my channel. I just have to edit out a few things to ensure I comply with YouTube guidelines. I will still be having my normal schedules on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 12 p.m. Central Time, so make sure you turn on post notifications if you haven't done that yet. That way you can ensure you never miss out one of my videos. Now, the other thing I want to address is a lot of you guys obviously have noticed that most of my videos are gone on my channel. That hopefully will be fixed in the next couple of weeks or months, because it will take some time for all of them to be re-uploaded. But the main thing you guys have asked is if I will no longer do any DHgate reviews, and the answer is of course yes. I will still be doing DHgate reviews. I do not plan to not do those anymore. I really enjoy doing that kind of content, but as I have mentioned before, I am not allowed to give any sellers information, names, links. None of that stuff can be put on the videos, otherwise I'm at risk of getting another strike. So if you have any questions, just DM me on my Instagram and we'll go from there. So I think that's pretty much all the announcements I have, I believe. Oh, please remember that I'm still doing the 5,000 YouTube subscriber giveaway. As soon as I hit that milestone, this sneaker right here can be yours. All the details to the giveaway is on my they're on my Instagram, on the Reels section. Go ahead and look for the reel that I made for this Jordan 2 announcing the giveaway. A lot of people have commented on that video, so those comments have entered for the giveaway. If you guys have not done that yet, make sure you go ahead and go leave a comment, letting me know if you want the shoe or not. And of course, you have to be subscribed to the channel and following my Instagram account for you to participate on the giveaway. Alrighty, so with all of that out of the way, I think we will go ahead and jump on today's review. Now, this right here, funny story, I had just DM'd the seller this morning telling him, hey, I haven't received my shoes, like, where are they, And I went ahead and checked the tracking history, and it appeared that it was on the way to be delivered to my home today. So I was like, oops, disregard, I am sorry. Hopefully, I don't want to have high expectations about this pair. Hopefully it's a good batch. I actually have had this pair in the past, but I believe I ended up selling it, or I may be wrong. I don't remember if I had this pair, but it's a pair I've been wanting, so hopefully you guys like it. So let's go ahead and use this above the angle camera for a bit. The box is a little bit dirty, but as you can see, it's in pretty good conditions. We do have a dent right here, but it's completely fine. Right here we have the sizing information in case you want to go ahead and pause, check the labels if you care about that. And then we'll go ahead and jump to the shoe. 23 paper, and as you guys can see, we have the, I believe this is like the reversed Shadow Jordan 1, or like the Shadow 2.0. So hopefully, oh wow, okay. So far, looking nice. Alrighty, you guys can see how it comes packed. I see extra laces. Okay. I like it. Extra laces, obviously they wouldn't come in this kind of bags, but it's completely okay with me. I really don't care. Wow, okay, let me take this out really quickly. So you guys can see, got some goodies and all that good stuff. Alrighty. So I went ahead and bought 2 pairs of Jordan 1s from this seller. This was the first pair I bought, and then this right here is the other pair I actually bought from this same seller. So they do look very different, if I'm honest with you guys. Like, the toe box areas are very different. So I'll go ahead and show you that in a moment, but let's go back here to the upper camera, and then I don't know if you can kind of see, but there's a small difference in my opinion on the toe box area. So let me see if I can hold these. All right, so on this area right here, I feel this gray part is thicker and comes a bit more like into the like top of the shoe, and then this part right here, it's a bit thinner. This one right here is a bit thicker. So I don't know if I'm making any sense. Hopefully you guys can understand what I mean, but on feet I highly doubt that it will be very, very noticeable. The other thing that I think, you know, it's not a defect. This is actually something I like. My biggest concern with Jordan 1s, it always ends up being the swoosh. Sometimes they make it too thin or too thick, so it's very hard to get like the right amount of materials and the sizing, and also the Wings logo right here. This pair right here is looking way better than the one I have on my feet right now, for sure, 100%. Hold on, give me 1 second. Alrighty, so I can probably compare, but you can even see how this one is a bit smaller. They're both supposed to be the same size, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, 6.5 Y, and this one is 6 in men's. Okay, so that's why they're different, because this one right here, it's a grade school size. It's a 6.5 Y, and this one right here is a 6 in men's. So I'm still learning the whole difference about like how a grade school sneaker looks and how the like regular sizes look. I personally love the way that the regular size design looks. The grade school, to me, it just looks weird. It looks different, therefore to my eyes it's like, you know, I don't like it that much. Sometimes that's why I even buy like a 7 in men's, just because I know it's going to have that like regular Jordan 1 design. I hope that makes some sense. But anyways, I just wanted to quickly show you, you know, like even the Wings logo, it's very different. This one right here, I feel is smaller, but again, the shoe itself is smaller, which is crazy. It's just a tiny bit smaller. There's not much of a difference. But anyways, give me a like, please, because look, I'm over here, you know, struggling putting my shoes on and off. But anyway, so I'll go ahead and leave on the black laces on the shoe. I actually do like how the black laces look. I don't see myself putting any white laces to these shoes right here. And before we end it, I just want to go ahead and give you a quick last look right here. Super nice. Let me know if what you think of the swoosh and the Wing logo. I think, in my opinion, they're good for what I paid. Again, they may not be perfect by any means, but you know, within the budget that I had, I think they did a good job. You know, the Nike Air might be a bit too high, in my opinion, but once I lace them up, you know, it'll be all good. I'm excited to wear these shoes right here with some shorts, maybe some hoodies. Tennessee still allows me to wear some hoodies here and there, so hopefully I can put some fire fits with this here. But again, follow me on my Instagram if you want to see how I style these sneakers right here. I will for sure be making a reel on probably how to style, or like an outfit of the day reel, and then you guys will probably see these shoes eventually on Instagram. I assure you that by the time this video goes live, these shoes have already been posted on Instagram. So I keep telling you guys, Instagram sees things first. YouTube sees most of my items last. So I'm gonna leave it right there. Thank you all so much if you made it all the way to the end. Remember, if you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that right now. To every single one of you who has still been supporting me up until today, I really thank you. You know, despite of the little bump that we had, it's okay. I'm working my way up again, and that's it. You know, I don't plan to go anywhere for any time. I really enjoy making YouTube videos, and I hope you guys know that. So I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.